5,000 kilometers motor oil change. How many drivers have been cheated? In fact, as long as you use slightly better oil, it's no problem to change it once every 10,000 kilometers. And changing the motor oil is very simple. We can replace it by ourselves. I will teach you today. Look, this is the motor oil I bought online, at least half the price than the repair shop. This is the machine filter that comes with you when you buy the oil. This is a tool for extracting engine oil when buying engine oil. Some stores do not send. Let's just buy one. It doesn't cost much. Next, let's change. First, we remove the old machine filter. This is the old machine filter. It can filter the impurities in the oil. You see it's very dirty. Next, we replace it. This is the new machine filter. Let's open it. Next, we install it. Wipe the engine oil off the outside of the filter housing. Machine filter has been replaced. Next, we'll change the oil. Insert this pipe from the oil dipstick to the end. Okay. The old engine oil has been pumped out. You can see, these are old motor oils that have been pumped out. Next, we put new oil in it. All new oil has been added. Next, we get in the car and start the ignition. Okay, next we go to the front and check. Is there any oil leak in the oil filter? No oil leak. Next, let the engine run for 5 minutes. Then we turn off the fire. Check again if the oil level is enough. 5 minutes too. Next, let's turn off the engine and check the oil level. Turn off the fire now. Let's wait a minute. Let all the oil drain into the oil pan. Then check again. Wipe off the dipstick with a paper towel. Wipe off the waste engine oil first. Then check the oil level. We can see there's a step here and a step here on the dipstick. Here is the line. This is down line. The engine oil level should generally be in the upper middle position. Look at me, this is just right. Okay, the oil is now all changed. Next, we get in the car. Reset the maintenance mileage to 0. Everything is done. Only took 10 minutes. Is changing the oil very simple? Follow me to learn some car knowledge every day.